Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to delete Temu account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to delete your Temu account, start by tapping on the U option at the bottom of the app. This will take you to your profile page. From there, on the top corner, you will find the settings option and tap on it. Within the settings menu, select the top option, which is account security. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, where you'll find the option to delete your Temu account. Tap on Delete Your Temu Account. You'll be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete your account and all associated data. If you're certain, continue with the process. Once you confirm, your Temu account and all its data will be permanently deleted. So that's basically how to delete Temu account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.